Nigiri, a small mound of rice topped with fresh fish, simple and balanced. Sashimi, thin slices of raw fish focused purely on freshness and quality. Maki, rice and fillings rolled in seaweed, one of the most familiar sushi styles. Uramaki, a reversed roll with rice on the outside, popular worldwide. Temaki, a hand-rolled cone, casual and meant to be eaten fresh. Chirashi, a bowl of sushi rice topped with a variety of fish and garnishes. Inari, rice tucked inside sweet tofu pockets, soft and slightly sweet. Oshizushi, pressed sushi shaped into neat blocks, known for its structure. Narezushi, the oldest form, made through fermentation over time. Gunkan, rice wrapped in seaweed to hold soft toppings like roe. Each style reflects a different way of preparing and enjoying sushi, from tradition to modern taste.